Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to look into logical operators. Logical operators is also a part of control flow topic. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this topic. So we are into the Visual Studio Code, and the example which we are going to use is the same example which we have been following from the earlier session. So this time we are also going to use the same example to understand the logical operators. But prior to writing code, we have to understand that what actually the logical operators are. In JavaScript, we are using two symbols to represent logical operators. To represent the AND condition, we will use double ampersand, and to represent the OR condition, we will use double pipe. So this will be represented as and the double pipe will be represented as OR. And this will be used to check the multiple conditions simultaneously. AND is used whenever we want to check multiple condition and we are expecting both the condition is being true, then only the code block will be executed. But when we are using OR block or say OR logical operator, then in that scenario we would be expecting only one condition should be true, then further code block gets executed. So let's understand with an example. So to understand it better, I am going to tweak the logic in this program and introducing some complexity to understand the logical operator. So the new logic is, so this time what we want to convert the name of the fruit to uppercase only to those fruit whose spelling is greater than length 5. Then only it gets converted to uppercase along with this condition. So how we can achieve this scenario? So for this situation, I am going to use logical AND operator. So let me introduce the logical AND operator. So for this, what we are going to do, we are going to use AND operator over here. We will write double ampersand and then we will specify the condition, and we want that length of this string is greater than 5. Then only this code block will get executed. So let's look into that. So this time you will find that only oranges and grapes is get converted to uppercase, apple not get converted to uppercase, as it is not satisfying this both condition. So let's look into the output. So let's jump into the browser. But prior to that, what we need to do, we need to remove this message, else it will give us some bug, so that we can remove it over here. Now save it and let's jump into the browser to see the output. So as expected, apple is not being converted to uppercase because its length is not greater than 5, and as well as it is not in uppercase as well. So both the condition is not meeting, so that's the reason it is skipping. So let's proceed further. So now we understand that both this condition should be true, then only this body part will get executed. Now we will discuss about OR logical operator. So to understand the OR logical operator, we are going to introduce one logic in the same program, where in the else if block we are going to introduce a logic. Suppose that if any of the fruit name contains the character B, it should be converted into lowercase along with the condition E. So currently what it is doing, wherever it is finding the character E into the name of the fruit name, then it is converting into the lowercase. Now what we want to introduce the same logic for the character B. If it found in any of the fruit name, it should also be converted to lowercase. To support this, we are going to use the OR condition. So how we can write the OR condition? So for that we are going to tell that the pipe operator, and here we will tell the same condition. We can take this one and specify over here B. Save it. Now what will happen? Both this peach and banana get converted to the lowercase. So let's jump into the browser to see the output. So as expected, peach and banana is now converted to lowercase, because for the peach case it contains the E letter in the word, and for banana it contains the B which we were checking, and this we have achieved through OR logical operator. And you know that why apple is not converted to uppercase, because it is not meeting the criteria with AND condition. So let's proceed further. So now you have a good understanding how you can have multiple condition in a single statement to design your complex logic for your application with the help of AND logical operator as well as OR logical operator. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.